The video that we've put together dealing with project delivery method through the trade package system for building and implementing a central dispatch and EOC facility includes experts that actually deal with the design, the engineering, the implementation itself. So you'll hear from project managers, you'll hear from designers, you'll also hear from politicians that like to see this trade package method. Now, the trade package method itself is very important on these unique facilities. So rather than going to a single general contractor that will tier it out to these individual trades that are actually doing the work, you go straight to that individual trade that specializes in that work, such as an electrician, a technology expert, a concrete person, a steel person, and so on.
What a lot of places do, because it makes sense, is they put out the bids in packages. In other words, instead of just saying, build me a center or build me a radio system, they will break it up to the different trades that would be involved, like the electrical work, the HVAC work, all the mechanical stuff, the generators, towers, carpenters, painters, and that also gives the local businessman a chance to bid on their part of the project.
Bidding process for us, we wanted to be able to open that up and make opportunities for all the local contractors. And so you looked at and bid it out as like a per job basis. So if you look at painting or drywall or flooring, brick and masonry or asphalt, whatever it is, all those things were put out singularly. So you're going to have several painters in a county the size of Madison County, so they've all got an opportunity to bid on it if they like. Same thing with the drywall or the asphalt. By doing that, really the majority of the jobs that we had and the work that we have given out has went to Madison County contractors and business folks.
I'm a local guy. I think that we should be given opportunities for our local people. These projects, as far as the mechanical, the construction, the towers, all the fabrics of this project, I've explained my position and I stand firm in my position. I want people to have opportunities. But when you start to integrate local people, your community citizens, who are feeding the tax dollars that support dispatch, you want to give them opportunities to participate even in their level of profession or their services. So I think that's key in any project.
We had to have a list, of course, from all of the contractors that had their different what they were going to do, the carpentry and the masonry and flooring and plumbing and everything like that. We'd done a bidding process on this, put in the advertisements and everything, put a deadline together. We tried to keep it as local as possible, and we wound up getting the bids on it, and these people were the ones that put this all together.
The bid packaging is something we like to promote, especially to smaller communities and municipalities. It allows us to break down the construction drawings, the design of the building into smaller packages so that smaller companies can bid on the different aspects of the construction. If you have a local carpeting and flooring company that could bid on that portion, or a drywall or some other company like that, they have that opportunity to bid on it. So we break it down into usually about 15 to 20 different bid packages per project.
This is something that we've focused on in the past couple of years, which is trying to find local contractors that can work on smaller pieces of the pie instead of just hiring one big general contractor. And what we're finding is you're getting competitive prices. You're breaking out one big project into smaller pieces. So you've got a plumbing package, you've got an electrician package, you've got a concrete package. These local guys are able to bid on them and be successful with them. Not only are you building a pretty unique structure within a community, you're getting community involvement, putting dollars back, right back into that community, which is a pretty big deal.
We feel fortunate to try to get as many local contractors to bid on it as possible and try to keep the work within the county. Of course, the government has its restraints on what we can award to who as far as price goes, and it's not always necessarily the lowest price. It's the ones that will meet our needs the best. So it's just a matter of going through the paperwork and make sure you hit all the steps just right.